In the case where a physical connection doesn't allow me to remote access any of our core equipment, we have a Juniper MX10, Juniper SRX 1400. These are big elements in our network. So if I can't get to these remotely, someone or a technician will have to physically come here and console into this device and pull logs. I just console into this and I'm going to run commands just to pull logs that will be given to integration partners or another third party, or even Juniper themselves, to kind of investigate what the root cause analysis was of the network outage or the network hiccup. Sometimes this is a little more out of our expertise here, so we'll need to bring a Juniper engineer on, have them get a second set of eyes on it, and then recommend to us what should be done to the network to change this from ever happening again. So basically, someone has to come here and physically connect to these. Logs will be submitted to them, and then recommendations will be made after that.